Hello viewer and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete all posts on your Facebook profile. That means delete all of your posts on Facebook at once. So let's start without exaggerating. First you have to enter the Facebook app of your phone. Then click on your profile icon on the left. Then click on the three dots on the right along the middle of the page. Here you will see an option in the activity log. Enter this option. Then click on the Manage Activity option at the top. Now enter your posts option below. Here you can see all the posts on your Facebook profile. If you wish, you can select and delete some posts from here. Or you can delete all at once by clicking on all. I am now deleting all the posts together. I now click on all. See, all the posts are marked together. Now you click on the trash option. Then click on the Move to Trash option. You can see all my posts have been deleted. Now I open my profile and show you that all my posts have been deleted properly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.